Good afternoon. We're here today looking at the bar mine layer. Bar mines sit in the trough in the back, and the blades underneath open the ground up, and as it moves along the bar mines drop into the trough that it makes, and then at the far end of the instrument the two discs pull the earth back over the hole, hiding the mines underneath, so that when a tank drives over, disables it. Got the cutting disc underneath, which will create a line in the ground for the jaw to open the ground up. That leaves an open trench, and then the two discs at the back cover the earth back over behind where the mine's been laid underneath. Might have a date on it actually somewhere.